Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the video session of Cantab Publisher, the leaders of one curriculum and one nation. Our lecture for today is for grade 1, English 1. The name of the unit or the chapter is Provinces of Pakistan. This lecture is in the continuation of the topic which we've been discussing in the last 2 lessons. For that matter, today is lecture number 3, Comprehension. Lecture 1 is down, we have learned it, we discussed nouns. Lecture number 2 was about singular and plural. And now we are left with lecture number 4 only, which will continue afterwards. So chapter number 2, Provinces of Pakistan, Comprehension, Reading and Understanding of the unit. As cello number 3 says, know the provinces of Pakistan. You need the textbook pages 9, 10 and 11 and the summer pack pages 13 and 14 for your homework. Get ready with the books. This young fellow is pointing out at page number 9. Unit number 2, Provinces of Pakistan. What you can see in front of you is the map of Pakistan. Map. This part of the map is Balochistan, Sindh, KPK, Punjab, Gilgit-Baltistan and the disputed Jammu and Kashmir territory. First of all, we are going to read this page line by line to understand what is this unit about, and then we will get to know about the provinces of Pakistan. Kindly follow my instructions on page number 9 and look at the arrow where I am pointing at. Pakistan is my country. Islamabad is the capital city of Pakistan. Allah has blessed Pakistan with many resources. The national language of Pakistan is Urdu. The official religion of my country is Islam. Pakistan has 4 provinces: Balochistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Punjab and Sindh. The capital city of Balochistan is Quetta. The capital city of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is Peshawar. Lahore is the capital city of Punjab and Karachi is the capital city of Sindh. I read again. Pakistan is my country. Islamabad is the capital city of Pakistan. Allah has blessed Pakistan with many resources. The national language of Pakistan is Urdu. The official religion of my country is Islam. Pakistan has 4 provinces: Balochistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Punjab and Sindh. The capital city of Balochistan is Quetta. The capital city of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, which is also known as KPK, is Peshawar. Lahore is the capital city of Punjab and Karachi is the capital city of Sindh. So the capital city of Punjab is Lahore. Sindh, Karachi, KPK or Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Peshawar, and for Balochistan, it's Quetta. Know the provinces of Pakistan. There are 4 provinces, 1, 2, 3, 4. Please remember the number 4. There are 4 provinces of Pakistan, and each province has a capital city. These are the capital cities of all 4 provinces. Punjab is Lahore, Sindh is Karachi, KPK is Peshawar, and Balochistan is Quetta. You have to remember these 4 names of the provinces and their capital cities. Please turn on to the next page, page number 10. The reading continues. Karachi is the biggest city of Pakistan. It is famous for its seaport. Gilgit-Baltistan is not a constitutional province, but for the administrative purpose, it is a province. These pictures you see, this is the Faisal Mosque in Islamabad. This is Minar-e-Pakistan in Lahore. This is Tomb of Quaid-e-Azam in Karachi. This picture is from Kashmir, the disputed area. And this is Bab-e-Khaybar, which is in KPK. There is a small dictionary, read out loud, words and their meanings. The first word is blessed, fortunate. Capital city, the main or the big city. Resourceful. Resource means a useful thing. Pakistan is a country full of many resources like sunlight, beaches, minerals, agriculture soil, and the list goes on. Seaport, ship station. There's a seaport, a very big seaport in Gwadar, and a seaport in Karachi along the beach side of the Arabian Sea. The meaning of the word famous means mashhoor. As we have been through the reading of the text and we learned that there are 4 provinces of Pakistan, let's name them one by one. Punjab, Sindh, KPK or Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and Balochistan. How many provinces are there? There are 4 provinces. If you remember that we discussed singular nouns and plural nouns in the previous lesson, so this S here shows that there are more than 1 provinces in Pakistan. Let's name them one by one again. Punjab, Sindh, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and Balochistan. You need to learn the meaning of these words so that whenever you read them again, you can understand what these words mean. We have read page number 9 and 10. Now we are going to answer these questions on page number 11. It's the same textbook, and this is your classwork which you are going to do with me now in the class here. We're going to find out the answers from the lesson and write them down here in the given spaces. Reading comprehension. Answer the following questions. Name the provinces of Pakistan. List the blessings of Allah on Pakistan. What is the national language of Pakistan? Name the capital city of Pakistan. The provinces of Pakistan are Punjab, Sindh, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and Balochistan. You can find the answers from the lesson as well. You can go back to page number 9 and see for yourself the answers and write them here on the lines given. List the blessings of Allah on Pakistan. You can list down some blessings of Pakistan which are given by Allah. What is the national language of Pakistan? Name the capital city of Pakistan. And you have to write in full sentences. Now, as a homework, you have to open summer pack, page number 13 and 14. And there is a home activity. It says this one. See the map of Pakistan and paste the maps of all provinces below. So you can look for a map of Pakistan in any newspaper or magazine. Make the cutouts with a scissor. Make sure that you take help or guidance from an adult. And then you have to cut each part very carefully. And then you have to paste them here. You can paste Punjab, Sindh, KPK, and then Balochistan here. This part of the SLO is for lesson number 4, which will continue next time. For now, your homework is to find out a map of Pakistan from any newspaper or magazine, cut out the map of the provinces and paste them here in each box. I hope you will enjoy the activity and you will also memorize and learn the names of the provinces and their capital cities. Wish you best of luck. Let's recap our lecture number 3 and complete our task. Provinces of Pakistan was the name of the unit. So these are the highlights. There are 4 provinces of Pakistan: Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Thank you. I hope we have learned together. It was nice to be with you. See you soon. Take care and don't forget to do your homework. Allah Hafiz.